Yo, magnificent voice. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be featuring someone new. I have no idea or what to expect from this guy. So guys, he goes by the name of Jaukeem. Okay, so I've seen a performance on The Voice where Jaukeem is performance, and this song is called God Only Knows. Very first time of this guy, I'm not sure what he's capable of, but you all know, once it's music representative, I'll be a part of it. And I'm eager to know what Jaukeem is capable of. So guys, without further ado, let's see what Jaukeem can do. Peace.
Let's go, Jaukeem!
Wide awake while the world is sound asleep, and too afraid of what might show up while you're dreaming. Nobody sees you. Nobody would believe you. Every day you try to pick up all the pieces, all the memories, they somehow never leave you. Nobody sees you. Nobody would believe you. But God only knows what you've been through. God only knows what they say about you. God only knows how it's killing you. But there's a kind of love that God only knows. God only knows.
Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What beautiful artist. And this song is literally a factual song in reference to God, the Most High, the creator of human race, the creator of this universe. And he's the one only knows what we all are going through. And once someone is referring to the Most High, I'm hauling. I will not tap out. Trust me. And this youth, damn bro, I think he have a far way to go. So let's keep on supporting this young man.
You've been through. God only knows what they say about you. God only knows the real you. But there's a kind of love that God only knows. For the lonely, for the ashamed, the misunderstood, and the ones to blame. What if we can start over? We can start over. We can start over. 'Cause God only knows.
Yo, magnificent voice. Incredible vocals. I mean, like, this is a phenomenon coming from Jaukeem here.
God only knows where to find you. God only knows how to break through. 'Cause God only knows the real you. That there's a kind of love that God only knows.
Whoa, Jaukeem. That was incredible. Especially for the message, especially of how You displayed your song so clearly to the fans, to the supporters of music, to the judges. You deserve a lot more than this. And you have a far way to go. So your talent speaks for you. Never stop at this journey. Only God only knows where you're destined to be. And we all hope for the best, that you're destined to be great. And God never fails. He never late. He was never late. Right? So, keep up the good work. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.